guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another cleaning video for you, and I am actually up in Montana right now. If you've been following me for a while, you know that the boys and I went up to Montana to visit some family. So we are actually staying at my parents' house right now, and it's pretty late, everybody's asleep, but I really wanted to go ahead and just clean up my parents' house for them a little bit and kind of like as kind of like a thank you for letting us stay with them, and also just like a nice surprise for them to wake up to a nice clean house. So I'm just going to be focusing on the main living areas like the kitchen, dining room, family room. So I hope you guys will enjoy coming along with me today, and a little bit of new scenery because it's not often that you get to clean other people's houses. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and get lots of cleaning motivation. So my parents' house wasn't really too messy, but the kitchen definitely needed a lot of work. While we've been staying here, we have had my 3 boys along with my brother's kids over a lot. So the house has definitely needed a little bit extra TLC. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. Must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. So I figured, as usual, I will go ahead and start with the kitchen and just get everything cleared off the counters, and then I will move on to the dishes. It's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. And then I just moved on to the dishes and started putting all the clean dishes away that had already been washed and dried. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. And then there were some dishes that were still left in the sink. I've definitely noticed that we were having to run the dishwasher at least once a day, if not more, just because there are so many people here right now. And so at my mom's house, we have not really been able to do like just unloading it in the morning and loading it and running it at night. We've just kind of had to do whatever works. So I didn't really feel like I had enough dishes in there to run it at night this time. So I just went ahead and filled it up so that in the morning after we finish breakfast, we could just put the rest of our dishes in there and get it going. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on. And then just moving on to the dishes that I needed to hand wash. And at my mom's house, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Bluebell scent. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. So I just finished washing and drying the few dishes that we had left, and then as usual I just wanted to go ahead and scrub out the sink because we did have some dirty dishes sitting in there. And I always get questions from you guys about where I get the sink caddy. My mom has one very similar to mine, and I believe that she got this at Walmart. I know I got mine at either Walmart or Aldi, but you can find them anywhere. They are just called sink caddies or suction baskets. So I will try and see if I can find one and link it in the description box for you guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, dance the night away. And if you guys watch my cleaning videos, you know that I always drop a little essential oil down my drain, and it makes it smell so, so good. Maybe I'm going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3.
Then I just went ahead and dried off the rest of the dishes that I had just washed and put those away.
I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be?
And to wipe down the counters tonight, my mom actually has the same cleaner that I have been using at my house recently, and it is the Method Lime and Sea Salt Cleaner. And I get this cleaner along with most of my other cleaners from Grove Collaborative. I've talked about them before, and I really love getting my cleaners from there. And I do have a link for you guys if you are interested in checking them out, where you can get a few different cleaning products for free with your very first order. And I will just leave that link in the description box below.
Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that hot break. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that hot break. Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that hot break.
And then moving on to their dining room, I just needed to clear off the table a little bit and also clear off their little buffet.
Where you go?
It's always so weird to me cleaning this table as an adult because they have had this table since I was a little girl, so it's just really neat to see my kids eating on this table. It just brings back so many memories. Then I went ahead and just started her diffuser, and I do want to let you guys know that I do have a coupon code again for 50% off my diffuser that I have at my house. It is not the same one that my mom has, but it's 50% off and it's a full-size diffuser and it is amazing. So definitely check that out. I will also leave that linked in the description box below. Moving back into the kitchen, I just wanted to wipe down their appliances, and my mom has something very similar to the e-cloth. I felt like it didn't work quite as well, but it works with the same concept that you can just wipe down your appliances with water and then dry it off with a cloth, and it works pretty well. But I will say I do have to recommend the e-cloth. They are still by far the best thing I have found. They work so good at getting your appliances totally clean and streak-free.
To say yeah. You know I want him now. My heart to say yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do.
Then I just went into their living room and started picking up a few toys that the kids had left out, and I also just picked up a few little pieces of paper that were left on the floor. Normally I would vacuum at my house because my kids are pretty good sleepers, but my parents are actually not very heavy sleepers and I did not want to wake them up with a vacuum because it was pretty late, so I will definitely just worry about the floors in the morning. They also have a little bookshelf right in the main living area where all the kids can just come in and read whatever books they want or grab whatever books they want us to read them. So I just wanted to straighten up all the books on the bookshelf so that it looked nice and organized. And I came across this one. This is The Best Little Monkeys in the World. It totally brought me back to my childhood because my mom used to read this to us all the time, and I love this book. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever read this book or if you have a favorite book that always just reminds you of your childhood. I think it's so fun when you come across those little things that just bring back so many memories like that.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Hard to say yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter.
And the last area that I really needed to deal with were the toys that were left in the family room. Usually I would just have the boys pick these up at the end of the evening, but I think we just had a busy and late night, and I also knew that I was going to go ahead and film this for you guys, so I figured I would just go ahead and pick these up tonight.
If you want.
Then, as you can tell, it was very dark outside, so I wanted to just go ahead and close their curtains. I love their house, and they have so many nice trees around, so they don't really need to close their curtains, I feel, because they do have so much natural privacy. But I still just decided, because it was so late and I was in there, I wanted to kind of give a little extra privacy and just go ahead and close them. And the very last thing that I wanted to do this evening was just kind of fix up the fireplace mantle. It's definitely not finished, but my mom and I have been really kind of working on redecorating a little bit around their house. So I wanted to just get a few little things put up so we could kind of start to see where we were going to go with that mantle. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today and seeing a little bit different scenery from my mom's house, because I know you guys are so used to seeing me clean my own house, but I thought this would be kind of fun for you guys, and I hope you guys got some good cleaning motivation. Be sure to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.
Tell me, do I ever cross your mind? Baby, what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care.